I'm Dr. Shannon Bass, and I am the Vice President of Medical Leadership for Vets Pets, which is a group of hospitals all in North Carolina. I was very impacted by Hurricane Helene, and at the time I was the president of the North Carolina Veterinary Medical Association, and we became really involved in the disaster response, and that's how I got to experience the joy of working with AVMF. Hurricane Helene affected the western third of North Carolina. So this was a huge area that was impacted, and many veterinary clinics were impacted. Getting to hospitals and humans that were in the center of the disaster area was very challenging. So we had a couple of practices, one of mine being one of them, that were completely destroyed by the floodwaters. And then we had many more practices that took feet of water. And then we had many more even that were impacted by the weeks that they did not have power and water and internet services and just the basic things that they needed to function. We heard from the AVMF very quickly, which was amazing. And funds were promised. So when veterinarians said, yes, I can go help at that shelter that had a new intake of animals, and that veterinarian took supplies from their own practice to go do that, I could confidently tell them, we will be able to reimburse you for those supplies. And that's because AVMF had told me that money was coming. The veterinarians in Western North Carolina are incredibly grateful for the response, for the coordination that we did to get people all together, for the grants they received, to even just the awareness that there was about what they were going through. There is a lot of gratitude in our community for how so many veterinarians, including those at AVMF, were able to respond. Give money. Do not give things. Do not donate clothes that you don't care about or cat litter that's been sitting in your garage for a year. The money can be used immediately for the things that are needed at that moment in that disaster. AVMF was someone that reached out very quickly, with authority, with help, donating the money to an organization you feel confident in. It's easy for you, and it's the most effective for the people in the disaster area. It's not just me that appreciates what AVMF did for Western North Carolina. It is hundreds of veterinarians and hundreds of staff that benefited from grants they were able to receive, and AVMF made a lot of that possible.